So we will be learning today how to calculate the future value with using the simple interest. This is also known as the time value of money. What does we mean by the time value of money? It is very simple. The value of whatever money we are having today, the money should grow after a period of 2 years, 4 years, 5 years. Because the value of money what we have today, after 5 years the value will not be same. Okay, so we need to invest our money, we need to deposit our money somewhere, some places, that our money should grow. Okay, it is very important. So now we will calculate today, we will learn how to calculate the future value of money using simple interest. So let us start with the first example. So this is one of the example of finding out the future value of money using the simple interest. So first, very important thing what we should do, I will just be letting you know, I will explain you how to do the calculation. You should follow this step by step. The first thing is that first we have to read the question. After reading the question, we need to find out what exactly is asked in the question, what we are supposed to find out or what we are supposed to calculate. After that, we will write down the formula for calculating as per the instruction mentioned in the question. After that, we will replace the values as per the formula and then we will start solution. So just pay attention. The question says that if you deposited $1,000 at 5% simple interest for a period of 2 years, then the amount received at the end of 2 years will be, what will be the amount after 2 years? That means what will be the future value? Today if I deposited 1,000, what will be the value of 1,000 if I receive 5% simple interest for a period of 2 years? So we have understood that what is asked in the question, we have to find out the value of 1,000 after 2 years. And here it is very clearly mentioned 5% simple interest. So we will be using the formula for simple interest. So as I told you, we have read the question first. The second point is that we have to write the formula. So we will write the formula. Future value. What is the formula for future value? Future value is equal to present value into bracket 1 plus RT. Just remember, I have made my video previously also where we have done the calculation of simple interest, where we were calculating only the amount of interest. But here we will be calculating the amount that we will be receiving after 2 years, which means when we calculate by this formula, future value is equal to present value into bracket 1 plus RT, we will get the amount that we will be receiving or the amount that we will be getting after the calculation will be principal amount plus interest. So total amount that we will be receiving after a period of time. So in this question, after 2 years. So the first thing we have written the formula, future value is equal to present value into bracket 1 plus RT. Now what do we have to write? Replace whatever value is given. So we need to find out future value. Present value is given. Yes, the amount deposited. This is my present value, $1,000. So what is my present value? The amount which I deposited, which I depositing, it now is my present value. Then see 1 plus R. What is my R? R is nothing but rate of interest. What is the rate of interest that I am getting here? Here it is clearly mentioned 5%. So this 5% is my rate of interest. Always remember 5% means 5 per 100. So what we will write? How we will write 5%, which means 5 per 100. So 5 divided by 100. So it comes to 0.05. You can calculate on your calculator 5 divided by 100. It will come to 0.05. Now what I am telling, whatever solution we have, we should write the value of P, R and T here only, and then just we need to replace it in the formula. Then again in the formula we need to find out a T is also given. What is my T? T is the time, for how much time I am keeping the deposit. So here it is 2. Now simple, we have written down PV, present value, we have written down rate of interest 0.05 and time 2 years. Now just we will write it in the formula. So my future value is equal to, present value is 1000 into bracket 1 plus R by T. R by T is nothing but R multiplied by T. So my future value is equal to 1000 into bracket 1 plus 0.05 into 2. So what it will come? 1000 into bracket 1 plus, first we should always do multiplication, then divide, then add and then subtract. This is the rule of the maths. So 0.05 multiplied by 2, it will come to 0.01. Now you just take the calculator and then type it on the calculator. Future value is what? Right, 1000 as it is given, 1000, then open the bracket, type 1 plus 0.01. You will get your answer. The answer is $1,100. So this is my future value, which means if I deposit $1,000 today at a simple rate of interest at 5% for a period of 2 years, so after 2 years I will be receiving $1,100. Is that clear? Similarly, we will take on another exercise to understand it in a better way. Now see, here it is already solution is given. Ali deposited $2,000 in a bank which gives interest at 4% per annum. What will be the amount received by him after 3 years? A. And second, after 8 months. So now we will do the solutions. First one is A, we have written here. See, A after 3 years. So first we will write down the PV, present value. What is my present value? $2,000. So I will write my PV 2000. Then I will write my R. R is what? Rate of interest is 4%, means 4 divided by 100. So this is what? 0.04. 0.04. And then the time period in A is 3. 3 means my T is 3. Now we will write the formula. Future value is equal to present value into bracket 1 plus R multiplied by T, bracket close. Now just substitute the value. Our present value is 2000. So 2000 into bracket 1 plus 0.04 multiplied by 3, it will come to 0.12. So now when you calculate on your calculator, 2000 into bracket 1 plus 0.12 bracket close equal to, you will get the answer $2,240. This is for our A. Similarly, we will calculate for the option B. So how much Ali will be receiving if he deposits $2,000 at 4% rate of interest for a period of 18 months. 18 months. Okay. So just pay attention here, 18 months. So my P will be 2000. My R is 4 divided by 100, that is 0.04, and my T is 18 months. We should convert it into years. Okay. It should be in years. So what we will do? We will divide this 18 by 12. It is given in months. We should convert it into years. So we will divide it by 12. So you can write 18 divided by 12. Now you see future value is equal to present value into bracket 1 plus RT bracket close. Now we will just substitute the value 2000 into bracket 1 plus 0.04 is my rate of interest R into 18 divided by 12. Why I have taken this 12? Because we have to convert it into years. So 18 months. In 1 year we have 12 months. So we will divide it 18 divided by 12 bracket close. When you calculate on the calculator, you will get the answer $2,120. We'll take one more questions to understand it in a more better way. Now this is another example exercise. Rahima deposited with Bank Muscat $5,000 at 6% per annum. Simple interest. Here it is mentioned simple interest for 15 months. Now calculate the amount she will receive in the future. So what we will do? First we should write the formula. We need to find out the future value. So the formula for future value is equal to present value into bracket 1 plus RT. Now we will write whatever values are given. So my present value is given here, which is 5,000. What is my rate of interest? Rate of interest is 6%. 6% means 6 divided by 100, which will be 0.06. Then what is my time? For how much time I am depositing? It is 15 months. Remember, this 15 months we have to convert it into years. So in 1 year we have 12 months. So 15 divided by 12. You can take the amount, the numbers directly here. When you take the calculator and you type 15 divided by 12, you will get 1.25 years. Now we have P 5,000, R rate of interest 0.06 and time 15 months, which we divided by 12, we get 1.25 years. Now we will just put it in the formula. So future value is equal to, what is my present value? 5,000 bracket 1 plus, what is my R? 0.06 multiply by, what is my T? 1.25 bracket close. Now first we have to do multiplication, this one, or you can take directly also, it will give the same answer when you take it on the calculator. So 5,000 into bracket 1 plus 0.06 multiply by 1.25, we will get 0.075. Now when you take it on this calculator, you will get the answer. Future value is equal to, when you type it on the calculator, 5,000 into bracket 1 plus 0.075 bracket close, you get the answer. How much dollars? $5,375. So this is my future value. So if Rahima deposited $5,000 in Bank Muscat at 6% per annum simple interest for a period of 15 months, she will be getting $5,375 after 15 months. Is that clear? So I'll be making many videos related to different calculations in a very simple and easy way. So in my next video, I'll be making how to calculate future value using compound interest. Okay, then we will also be learning how to calculate the present value using simple interest and compound interest, and how to calculate the annuity, present value of annuity, future value of annuity. So lots of videos will be there. So what I tell you, just click on the subscription button, subscribe the channel so that you will be receiving the notification, and press the bell icon and share this with your friends so that your friends are also getting benefited, and like it. If you like it. Okay, so this was all related to future value simple interest calculation.